how to add watermark in your PowerPoint. Hey everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your PowerPoint or your Google Slides. After that, simply go to Insert and then go to Text Box. Now create a text box in the position where you want to create or insert your watermark. Now, all you have to do is write a text of what your watermark should look like. Then in order to make it look like watermark, what we will do is simply bold this text and then use the lightest color of gray, and it will be made as a watermark. So yeah, that's how you do it. You can further edit it the way you want and place it in the position that you think is best for your slide. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.